Did I get you? Anyway, well, welcome everybody. Tell me, have you ever wanted to put your Roku stick in both the TV and the computer? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you're ready and I'm ready, let's get started. Okay. First you need, of course, the Roku streaming stick, but you definitely also need the gun. But you definitely also need an HDMI switcher, and then with the HDMI cable and one's hooked to the computer, one's hooked to the TV. We're gonna switch to the TV. There we go. I was trying to turn it on. Now you see that part? That's where it gets its power. So we're gonna follow both of those cords to its source. Normally I put them up here, but no, that's where the TV goes right there. And normally I would have put the Roku charging stick here, but I've been having a little complication issues, so I put it down there where it's plugged into the wall. And now let's see it in action. There it is. Roku. The Roku streaming the Roku device connected to the TV. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it for the computer. And just an important note: make sure these cables are properly connected in, because I almost had the Geek Squad help me out with this almost for nothing. There we go. Now switch. But you can't just switch it in a way. You need a special. You need this. I know you can't see it from way up here. So let me try and re-angle it. There we go. You need a video capture card. And then connect it straight into your computer. And that will get the image straight onto your computer. And I'm going to show you how to load it up. Alright, as you can see, I got two programs that I can use to get it set up. One of them is Movavi AVI Video Suite Capture Video. I got the video capture device set to USB 2 video. The resolution is set to default, frame rate 50, and audio capture device is set to digital audio interface, USB 2 digital audio. And you could save it to wherever and how you want the file to be renamed. See? That's how you set it. Once you get that hooked up, you got to go through some creating an account and all that kind of stuff. But once all that's done, you get access to Roku on
computer, and you can start click the start capture button to capture whatever you want. The same goes for OBS Studio as well. Of course, for both of them, you have to go through this annoying process of having to reset it up every time. But anyway, here's how to get put the USB 2 video capture card onto OBS Studio. I already got mine set up, but I'm not gonna, do it again. Do it again. Just so make sure, but I'll do it this way. Just go here. First go here. Then place video capture card. And then name your device. I'm gonna name mine USB 2 video capture card. Then select the device right here, USB 2 video. Then, of course, for some reason, on the when I did it on the new one, it won't set up. Probably because I already have it on here already. Then you just so I'll use this one instead. So, all you do, then you just set it up the way you want to. I already set mine up. And voila, you got the capture card on OBS Studio. And there you have it, folks. That's how you connect your Roku device to both the TV and the computer. I hope you liked this how-to video and it helped you, and it'll help you in any way. Thanks for watching this how-to video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and if you can, share this video with as many people as you can. Friends, family, complete strangers, the possibilities are endless, so they can share with their friends, family, complete strangers, the possibilities are endless, and so on and so on, and so on and so forth. Until it's wide active out there that you can literally get you get the idea. But anyway, make sure. Oh, I almost forgot. Be sure when you hit that icon, after hitting that subscribe icon, be sure to hit that little bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Help me get my first check from YouTube/Google before June 20th. I think that's the date, or is it June 21st? Whatever. And I would be a happy man. But until next time, this is Jeffrey Bartow with Roku, signing off.